Welcome back. We are finishing, oh gosh, this is our last Christmas video. So, okay, let me explain a couple things. We've got some good news and bad news. First of all, my dress. This is last year's dress. Now, thank you for all of your feedback on the last video. You guys really helped me understand how to alter the dress that I got in Virginia. And I went to Joann's, I bought the supplies, I started working on the dress. And you know, as I was working on the dress, my puppy attacked it and shredded the sleeve on that vintage dress. Ruined my dress. So that's the bad news. The good news is I have another dress from last year. So this is my Christmas dress. Boy, sometimes things just don't work out no matter how hard you try. So that is sad, but I'm moving on. Okay, but I thought you might want to know what happened there. Also, today's video is going to be, I didn't do a candlelight tour of the house, but it is a music only version of the house tour, and I worked really hard on the camera roll, you know, the B-roll, and I just want it to be like a really relaxing, gorgeous video for you. So I'm gonna jump right into that like soon here. Okay, I also want to share with you some other good news before we do our tour of the house, and that is that I found a device for anti-aging that I'm excited about. This is the UFO 3 by FOREO Sweden, and it's this device. It's a facial, like in the palm of your hand. This is a deep facial hydration device. So this is what you do if you do sheet masks. I used to do a sheet mask every night before bed, and now I love this. It gives you the benefits of 5 anti-aging spa facials in 2 minutes. So did you hear that? 2 minutes. That is gonna save you so much time. I used to get professional facials, not anymore. We are doing this. The UFO 3 offers heat and thermotherapy, LED treatments, and a cooling cryotherapy. So it gets hot, it gets cold, it does massage, it does a lot in this little tiny thing. So this is how it works. Once you have the device and you can pick out your masks, it comes to just about $1 a piece, which is a really good deal. So I've got the Bulgarian Rose, I've got Made My Day. This is one I do in the morning. I've got Call It a Night. In fact, I would start with those two, Call It a Night and Make It a Day. So this one is before bed if you want. So to use it, you want to have a clean face, no makeup. I suggest using the app. You don't have to use the app, but I think it's so much easier. And I'm not an app girl, but I think it's so much easier to use the FOREO app. And then you just select the mask that you're using, and then it does all the settings. It speaks to the UFO device and does all of the timing and chooses which LED lights to use and all that. So I like that part of it. So you pull out the little packet from whatever type of mask that you're wanting to use, and it looks like just a round piece of sheet mask, and you put that on the device, and then you snap the silicone ring over it in place so it holds it in place. Then you just touch whatever facial you want to do on your app, and it instantly starts, and you move it around your face and just do what it says. It plays music. And even there's a picture of a woman's face, like a sketch, and she shows you like where are you moving this device around. So in 2 minutes, you've got the equivalent of a spa facial. I've already noticed that my fine lines, which this is a trouble spot for me above this eyebrow right here, I get a lot of fine lines, and then my neck. Those are probably the two. Those are my hardest spots. And they are already, I would say, like 50% better in not that much time. I'm so amazed with this. I want to do this every day. And another thing I love is that it only takes 2 minutes. So I've had other treatments. So say a lot of times it's like I want to do them before I go to bed, all these different things that I've tried on my skin, but each one of them takes about 15 minutes, and I'm so tired and I'm so like late to bed a lot of times that I just skip it because I don't want to spend 15 minutes. Like that pushes me over the edge, but the 2-minute thing, that doesn't sound too hard to me. So this is so doable. It's so much less expensive than having professional facials done, and it's so effective. FOREO rarely discounts their items. They have other items for at-home treatments like that you would get at a spa. They rarely discount them, but right now they have some holiday deals that are up to 50% off, and then you can use my coupon code, which is dearly, capital dearly 10, and you can get an additional 10% off. So I just think it's the perfect time to get this, especially if this is something that you really want to focus on coming into the new year, or you want to get one more really awesome gift for someone or for yourself. But if you are interested in anti-aging at home natural products and remedies, this is definitely one I would put on your list. All right, shall we do a music only Christmas tour? Merry Christmas.